In the meantime, to Chris Farrell, Judicial Watch Director of Research on all of this, if I had a dime for every reference, Chris, where it's worded something to the effect, in answering your interrogatories, Secretary Clinton objects to the interrogatories insofar as the request information is outside the scope permitted discovery in this case, and variations of that, well, I'd have a lot of dimes. But did you glean or get anything from her that you didn't know before?
Yeah, I mean, there's a few things here. First of all, David Kendall obviously is a highly paid, very skilled attorney who would do anything in the world to try to protect the Clintons. But most importantly, we got her under oath. No other organization in the country, to include the FBI, has ever gotten Mrs. Clinton under oath to answer for her email server and for her mishandling of national defense information. Judicial Watch did get her under oath, and she's in a very tough spot because her choice is she either perjures herself, she makes admissions against her own interests, or she develops this very convenient case of amnesia. She was interviewed by the FBI, she made official statements to them, so she's really boxed in. The only thing left for her as a Yale Law School graduate is to claim this sudden and temporary amnesia, however inconsistently, because in one portion of the responses, she says she does remember that Colin Powell talked to her about email, but then she claims she doesn't remember any other conversations.
But did you really expect otherwise? I mean, I'm no lawyer, but I did talk to a number of lawyers who say that a general kind of foggy out for you is say, I don't recall, I don't remember, I don't... And that's about as much as she offers you. So was it worth it to go through all you did to try to get her under oath to respond, touche to that, and for that? But did you get anything approaching something valuable here?
Yeah, I mean, the valuable thing is she's now documented as being extraordinarily dishonest. The lesson, the educational point for the American public is that she has now been less than forthcoming, all the way up to outright lying under oath to the American public.
Yeah, she says she doesn't recall. She doesn't recall. She doesn't recall.
Right, and it's completely unbelievable and implausible. No one can keep a straight face discussing this sudden case of amnesia. No one believes her. And we have Director Comey, who's disgraced himself personally otherwise in the criminal investigation where he punted. But even he has said that her actions likely resulted in the release of all this intelligence information to hostile foreign actors. She's put the country at risk, and then she's lied about it. And she's done it under oath. That is an important lesson for your viewers.
It's interesting. It's amazing how you got as far as you did to get at least some responses from her, so touche for that. Chris Farrell, thank you very, very much.